Keeping track of your return data is key to understanding trends and improving your operations. In Ordoro, you can quickly export RMA reports to analyze return frequency, reasons, and more. Here's how to do it. Go to the Returns tab and select Export RMAs. In the Export RMA modal, customize your report. Enter recipient email addresses separated by commas. Edit the email subject line. Set the report interval, hour, day, week, or month. Choosing Truncate runs the report from the start of that interval. Select a time zone to ensure accurate timestamps. Choose an RMA status, active, finished, canceled, or all. Pick a summary, 1 row per RMA, or detail, 1 row per item in the RMA report. Optional, filter by tags to refine your export. Click Export or Schedule to generate the report. Once complete, find it under Activity menu, Exports. Click the CSV button to download it. For scheduled reports, Ordoro will automatically generate and send the file based on your selected interval. With this tool, you can stay ahead of returns, spot trends, and keep your business running smoothly.